your eyes like the sunshine on my face. It's a good night, how it smells nice on a pillowcase. And I light up when I see you walking by. I know that life ain't perfect, but you make it alright.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Alrighty, guys. So as you guys can tell by the title, today we are doing a Nadula hair review. I'm super excited to bring this to you guys today. I was getting comments down below that you guys want to get help with doing your installs, you know, how to do your wigs by yourself. And y'all, when I say I'm getting better, like, okay then, yeah, get into it. If you are not part of the family, let me just let you know about myself. My name is Stacy, and I am all things beauty on this channel. So if you like my makeup and you just already feeling a girl energy, go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. I do, you know, makeup tutorials and stuff like that, so you can see how to slay your face, slay your wig, and everything, girl. So if you want to see if this wig is worth your coin, and also how to install your own wigs and, you know, just make them look like, yeah, go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, guys, so we want to give a big thank you to our sponsor today, which is Nadulahair. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me this beautiful wig. This is your straight lace front Remy hair 150% density wig, and this is in 26 inches. It did come pre-plucked, but I did, you know, I had to add my little razzle dazzle to it, so I bleached the knots and plucked it by myself. Y'all see them two little holes in them earlier clips? I be getting a little aggressive with the tweezers, but in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a detailed, you know, slow down install video, because I do a lot of install videos on my channel, but it's kind of like rushed. So I want to help, you know, the girls out that want to know how to like just install a regular wig, okay? So if you guys want tips on like how to bleach your knots and how to pluck, I also can do a separate video on that. But today we're just focusing on the install, okay? So first things first, I like to hot comb all my frontals. I like my wigs to be natural and flat, so you need to invest in a hot comb. You can get one for like $10 from like the beauty supply store. But now we're gonna work on laying down this lace. And if you guys are part of my team, you're part of my family, you guys know I like to do things the most easiest way possible, so just follow. The simplest way that I found to apply brand new laces is cutting them and applying them in sections. It's easier and it comes out with a more flawless install. Y'all, my glue literally busted open and fell all over my floor, but I cleaned it up, and you know, we're gonna get down to it. This is their Ghost Bond glue, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this in front of my hairline, not directly on my hair, but just in front of my hairline. Then I'm gonna take a rat tails comb and smooth it out. This is very important. You do not want your glue to be lumpy, okay? You want to smooth it out with, you know, any flat surface, okay? I'm going to apply 2 to 3 layers for my wigs so they can have that security. The most I would say is 4 layers, but you know, the less of layers you use, the less security you're going to have, and the more you use, the longer the wig lasts, okay? So after you blow dry it as clear as it can get, you're going to make sure that the front of the hairline of the wig is on top of the glue, okay? So as you guys see, right where the hairline begins is where I'm going to push down that lace on top of the glue. Then I'm going to take my rat tail comb, and we are just going to comb and just kind of push the lace into the glue, not pushing the hair into the glue, okay? And this part is optional, but I like to add freeze spray. And what the freeze spray does, as you can see before, it was a little white and sticky, but the freeze spray kind of helps that like go away and makes the glue more invisible. But be careful when you put the freeze spray, hold the lace down because it can start to slide. So you got to grab your blow dryer and just, you know, blow dry it real quick so it can just glue down. So I'm cutting the lace a little bit more so I can really pull the lace back and apply the glue. So we're just going to apply a straight line of glue. And then we are going to take the back of a rat tail comb and we are going to smooth out the glue. As of right now, the glue is chunky. We're going to go in until this glue is smooth and flat, okay? That is what's going to make this look like, you know, scalp just looks seamless. If it's chunky, I'll show you in some next clips what happens if the glue is chunky. So we're just gonna blow dry this. Also, my blow dryer is on a cool setting. You want to blow dry it on cool.
We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do.
And here again, we're gonna make sure the front of the wig, the hairline of the wig, is right on top of the glue, okay? We don't want to just glue down lace. You want to make sure it is the hairline that is getting right in the beginning of that glue. We freeze sprayed it and now we're just blow drying it. So for this next part, I'm going to be quiet, turn up the music, and let you guys just see one more time what I do.
DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. Well, who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for.
So something that you're gonna see with this part of this install was I didn't flatten the glue as much as I should have, and I also didn't let it dry down as close to clear as it's gonna get. So when I apply this wig, you're gonna see a little bit of glue, but later on in the video I will show you how to fix that. So you guys see that part where it's still kind of white? That is not going to dry properly and it's still chunky, but I'll show you how to fix it. Like I said, one way to fix that is when you apply the freeze spray. A lot of times after you apply that freeze spray, it's going to help with it, you know, kind of making it just disappear. But as you see, it's still there a little bit. We'll fix that a little later. We're going to go ahead and take an elastic band and you're going to tie this down, okay? I'm tying mine down for 10 minutes. And within those 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and just flat iron my hair. Today, I was going out for someone's birthday celebration, so I didn't really have time to do much to it. The hair naturally was straight, so I'm just, you know, straightening it up some more and just making sure it's bone straight and nice and flat. In the meantime, while I'm flat ironing my hair, I just wanted to, you know, pop in and let you guys know, if you are not part of the family, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You've been watching for like 8 minutes now. Like, just go ahead and join the family, girl, period. On this channel, we do all things beauty. So I like to do hair, makeup, nails, outfit try-ons, all of the things, just all girly stuff, story times and tips and tricks to become a better version of you. Girl, we do it all here, so go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike, like I said. Also, check out my other videos. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, so if you want to get better at doing your makeup as well, I definitely have a home for you here, girl, okay? We are very welcoming on this side.
You pray for my demons, God got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get wrong. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip been missing, that ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, I put a phone down in the chair. I get my bottom when I do that. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. When I'm good, I keep it real. Baby, for the real one, exactly what it is.
Alrighty guys, so after I flat ironed the hair, I did go ahead and take the elastic band off. The band was on for longer than 10 minutes, and that's just because it took me a little bit longer to flat iron my hair, but the least amount of time you want to leave that band on is 10 minutes. So we're just going to go ahead and just comb out the hair. And What I use is 90% alcohol to take off that extra glue that just looks chunky. Be careful because you don't want to use too much alcohol and you remove the lace, because as you guys know, that is how you remove your lace wig safely. But you are going to just take a little bit and just rub off that extra glue and it's going to be seamless. Here, I'm just taking eyebrow scissors and my hand's kind of in the way, but I like to cut the lace in a zigzag motion, and this just kind of helps with it looking more natural. You do not want to cut in a straight line, and because it'll look like you have a tape, okay? You want to just cut in a zigzag motion, and that is just what's going to help make it look more natural. And also, I'm cutting fairly close to the hairline. And the reason why we do that is because we put the hairline right on the glue. So you don't want to cut and leave like mad lace on your forehead. You want to just have it look like it's coming directly out your scalp. So just keep that in mind. And sometimes you might have put a little bit too much glue on the lace. So you might have to lift up the lace a little bit, pull it back. Just be very careful and very vigilant so you're not pulling the whole lace off your head. But you know, like this part is just kind of like trial and error, and you know, just a little bit of, you know, just using your eyes. So as you see, I have to pull it back a little bit, and then I get to cut close to the hairline. And here I'm just taking off the excess glue. Sometimes we put the glue too low, so we want to just kind of clean off the glue that's just sitting on our forehead, because if not, it's just going to attract like just debris and you'll see the darkness. So you know, just clean that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some freeze spray because it was kind of lifting up the lace a little bit. Next up, we're going to just get into our edges. This part, I can do a detailed tutorial on how I do edges. I have a video on my channel of how I do my fluffy edges. These edges are not going to be fluffy. I wanted them to be a little bit more natural. So you guys can just kind of watch and just get a feel for what I'm doing.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, he lost his shit. Got on my course to be alone night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, yeah, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give the most in the first of May. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. Yeah, I'm trying to read the news since it's just urgent. Makes us some little change to me on war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. They choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us lay in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present.
Alright guys, so after I did my edges, now I'm going to take edge control. This is better if you have a wax stick, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use what I have. But I'm going to take some edge control and just work that on the top of my hair. And this is what's going to help me smooth my wig down even more. So after I applied the edge control, now we're just going to take the hot comb and really just press out the top of my hair. You guys see me do this so many times throughout this video, and that's because I like my hair to be flat. I cannot express that enough. It doesn't matter if it's curly, straight, body wave, it does not matter. I like the top of my hair to be nice and flat. And then I'm going to take some freeze spray just to kind of set what I did. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation shade, and we are just going to define that part. So when you define your part, use your foundation shade. It's going to look way brighter. Like, it's just going to look super bright. But then you want to take the back of the brush or, you know, rat tail comb, whatever, and you really want to just kind of push it into your lace. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. This is the final look after I did go ahead and do my makeup, put my clothes on. I just have on this shirt from where is it from? Forever 21. It's just like a leotard cheetah print shirt. I think it's just super cute, and I just like it with the straight hair vibes. It's giving very much cheetah. But yeah guys, if you guys like this video and you feel like you learned something, go ahead and comment the secret emoji. Yeah, I know the secret emoji gonna be a cheetah because you know the girl giving cheetah print. I hope it's a cheetah and not leopard because I don't be knowing the difference. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.